following with our Snake Eyes project. That's a 1972 Monte Carlo. That's my personal car. We've been pretty active on social media. You might have seen us travel out to SEMA. We installed some new Pro Car seats, got rid of that old bench. We put in a new steering box, and now pretty soon it's going to be getting new brakes and suspension. But in the meantime, I'd like to show you something a little bit more exciting. Our 383 is going to be getting some boost. Initially, we wanted to go with a turbo system, but because of the complications that are involved with fabricating manifolds and things like that, we wanted to avoid all that. I talked to Chris Beardsley over at TorqStorm. I had a lot of questions. I've never done a boosted application on a small block Chevy, and he had all the answers. Placed our order. 2 weeks later, we had our kit at our front door. This system is made right here in the United States. It's all CNC billet aluminum. This one came in a machine finish, but you can also get it in black and polished. I went with that because if you guys know the Monte Carlo, it's ratty looking, it's a monster. It's what some might call ugly. I think it's beautiful in its own way, but this is definitely fitting. Under the hood is not show quality by any means, but this is gonna be the piece de resistance underneath the hood. When people pop the hood, that's gonna be the first thing they look at, and I want it to be just as raw as the car. As you can see, it comes with everything you need. Including the clamps and hardware. Also included in the kit is this really badass blow-off valve. This is a TorqStorm proprietary design. It's 52 millimeter. I've never seen something like this. Check out the bracket here. Another component of the kit is the hat. It's really low profile. It'll fit under most stock hoods, if not all stock hoods. The Monte Carlo has a cowl induction hood, so that won't be an issue, but if you have something stock at home, this will be perfect for you. All CNC billet. You can see the machine work on here is beautiful. The coupler, the pulley, beautiful. We're gonna be pushing about 6 to 8 pounds initially. Later on, we might dial that up, hint, hint, and they have options for that. I know some of you guys at home are thinking, big deal, it's a supercharger. We know all about boost, we know turbos, we know superchargers. Show us something really crazy. Well, head on over to TorqStorm.com and check out their twin supercharger kit. That's right, they offer this blower in a twin setup for small block Chevy, big block Chevy, small block Ford, you name it, they got it. If you want to find out more about this kit or any other kit that TorqStorm makes, check out TorqStorm.com. And of course, keep up with Project Snake Eyes on StreetMuscleMag.com and check out our Facebook page too, Street Muscle Magazine.